Yo, what's going on, you degens? What is going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. uh, I forgot. I was going to say, I know I already said that, but I guess I did the members only live stream earlier today. So I haven't done the general live stream today. So happy Mother's Day to everybody out there who's not a member of the channel. What's going on? How are you guys doing? By the way, guys, if you want to get the members only content, members only live streams, stuff like that, click the join button or the link in the pinned the link in the pinned comments is actually the Patreon if you want to join that. Click the link in the chat that I'm putting there right now if you want the members only content, guys. Listen, we dropped 2 more gems in the members only live stream today, guys. Definitely excited about both of those. So if you want to know what they are, you know what to do. Click the join button, guys. All right, Tara, good evening, crypto family. What's up? It is evening already, eh? This day has just flown by. My God. What's up? What's good? I'm just chilling, just chilling, having myself a day, Hope everything's good with you. Hey, Rob, how are you? I'm okay, man. I'm okay. Keep on keeping on, right? Kevin's in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, we got quite a bit to get into, guys. I got some exciting stuff. I was messing around with ChatGPT earlier today, guys, and it came up with some interesting stuff that I'm going to cover, right? Some fun stuff. Let me just make sure we're live over on X, actually. Before I continue on, just give me a sec. Yes, we are live on X. Perfect. All right. All right, guys, what's good? What's going on? Let's have a look around the market here. BTC up 0.5%, 61.2. Guys, hopefully we have a good weekly close. Guys, it would be, what would be great if we pulled back up over 63 and closed the week above 63, but I don't think that's going to happen, guys. It's got about 2 hours to happen if it's going to happen. Not looking good for the weekly close. Could have a little bit of a red Monday or a red evening tonight, even if we have a bad close. But that's okay, right? That's okay, guys, because we always keep dry powder on the sides, don't we? And we're always ready to attack, right? So very, very good stuff, guys. Some good DCA opportunities. Guys, Algorand at 17 cents. I just did a video covering Algorand, HBAR, XRP, Constellation. They're all joined together. And HBAR, did I say HBAR? They're all joined together in an alliance program. Very, very bullish, guys. Miria at freaking 0.5 cent, guys. Unbelievable. Red days are good for good during these times. Yes, exactly. Fill up the bags, man. Jose, hello. How are you doing, my friend? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Welcome in. So, yeah, what else is going on? What's JASMY doing? Down 1 cent, 7.8. Guys, I did a couple of videos. They're coming out, generally talking about the price of JASMY right now. And, I pound on this drum, and I'll continue to pound on it, guys. Very, very, very soon, we're going to see a run up on JASMY to around 7 cents and then a pullback to about 4 cents, 7.4, consolidation between 4 cents and 5 cents, I believe. And if you are not dollar cost averaging at the current prices that JASMY's at right now, I don't know what to tell you, man. You're missing out. You're missing out. Galaxy, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Helium Mobile's been getting wrecked last couple days. Tired today. Yeah, I might actually fill up. I have a little bit of Helium Mobile, but I might actually go ahead and grab about 1 million tokens at these prices. You can't really go wrong at these prices, right? You get yourself 1 million coins, guys, and at these prices, even if it only hits 10 cents, you've got yourself a cool 100K, right? Cheers to that, man. It's just water, by the way. Nick, hello, Mr. Rob. I've been watching your videos for a while. Thank you for all your info. Hey, no problem. Thank you for supporting the channel, Nick. Much, much appreciated, my brother. And welcome into the live stream. Welcome to the chat. It's awesome to have you here, bro. Absolutely, man. Crypto Homes in the house. What's up, buddy? What's going on, bro? What do we have tonight? What do we have tonight? We got a game tonight, brother. Florida can take a 3-1 series lead tonight. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Overcome. What's up, man? Long time no see. Where you been, man? Where you been? Good to see you guys. Crypto Goddess. Hello, multimillionaire fam. This bug my kids gave me the school at me MIA. Hope the Panthers smoke them. Yes. We are pulling for Florida. Let's go Panthers, 100%. Going to stomp a mud hole in the Bruins tonight, and we're going to love every freaking moment of it, guys. I think we're going to see a 5-2 finish tonight for Florida. Busy with my 6-month-old and trying to time the bottom. Yeah, got to love those times, man. Cherish the times when they're young like that, man. My boy turned 4. And he's growing so fast. So, absolutely, man. Funky's in the house. What's up, buddy? Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there, says Kevin. Absolutely, man. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. I hope your kids took you out to lunch or breakfast or brunch or, something. So one of the unches, anyways. Yeah. KASPA still a good entry point, guys. Even XRP at 50 cents, guys, is a pretty good pickup, right? Stronghold is another one that I've been meaning to fill my bags on. Taraxa, I may actually get another bag of that. I don't have any right now. Taraxa is one of the gems we called last year. I put some money into it and made thousands of dollars, rolled the profits. And I may actually jump back into it at some point. Taraxa is a nice solid layer 1 project. Space looks like a good entry point as well. So yeah, there's some good stuff out there, guys, that you should be picking up right now. A Tor, $1.89. Aerodome Finance, 96 cents. Good stuff, man. Pith. Oh, 43-cent Pith, guys. Come on. 46-cent Pith. 43-cent Pith. Sorry. My God. I might have to get on that too. I might have to get on top of that. That's what she said. What else do we got? Shadow Frost. What's up, man? Good evening. Just topped my Swift bag. 1 million. Congratulations, man. Awesome. What project are you going for next, man? That's what I got to know. What's your next target? All right, guys. Yes, as always, make sure you're smashing the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Don't be a stranger. Join the family. You're always welcome here. Okay, let's get into some of the stuff that we want to talk about, guys. All right. So, Ryan Selka says, Liz Warren and Joe Biden made crypto a political issue, not the crypto community. Radical policies aimed to ban or severely cripple an industry that enshrines American constitutional values into the global financial system will lead to backlash. Exactly. They will be voted out. It's only a matter of time, guys, right? They want to segregate themselves away from the 20% of the population of the United States that votes and that is in crypto. That's their problem, man. That's their problem. Not a wise choice, but so we got a couple of little interesting points here, guys. In 1984, Sony introduced the world's first car compact disc player. It offered listeners a level of audio fidelity and was previously unimaginable in cars. As the article reads, please accept Sony's sincerest apologies for making all car stereos obsolete. That's absolutely awesome, guys. And to piggyback off of that, I wanted to show you this as well. In 1982, Sony introduced the BPT36 solar battery for Walkman, integrating a solar cell that converts sunlight into electricity and an NICD battery charging system. And the reason I show you these two things, guys, is because the people, or more accurately, the individual Ando, who was running Sony, who was running this company of innovation in technology, is now at the head of the company that you believe in, guys. The head of JASMY, right? You're going to see this kind of stuff moving forward in 15, 20 years, but it'll be JASMY's name on there, right? Absolutely amazing. Quite the flat weekend. Yes, I agree. But I did some dollar cost averaging, though. I took advantage of it. Nick, I fulfilled my goal. I now hold 1.5 billion JASMY. Nice. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, bro. What is your next goal? What is your next goal? That's what I would like to know, man. All right. What else do we have, guys? Yes. Listen, so we've got, we played this yesterday, but listen, it's very important. I want you guys to hear it again. It's only a minute long, so listen up, guys. Very, very crucial when you're feeling negative about the SEC and the market and you're worried and you're paranoid and all that stuff. Remember this, guys. Remember the big picture, okay?
Right, and there's no negative consequence to Gary Gensler to keep fighting the fight.
No, you're right.
It doesn't cost him a dime.
What do you think about the future in that regards then? Like, do you feel like the SEC is powerful enough to curtail the crypto industry as a whole, or do you think it's a matter of time?
Oh, they're going to lose in the long run.
They're going to lose in the long run. Just
yeah,
enough
this
time.
Is just, I mean, look, if you look at the continued growth of crypto as a multi-decade arc of time, this is nothing.
This is nothing.
It's a speed bump. Because I'm so optimistic about what the future of crypto looks like, we'll look back in 20 years and be like, God, that sucked. But you know what? Little bump, whatever. The market, in my opinion, the market will be measured in many, 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 many trillions.
Yeah.
And it will change the way many, many transactions work because it's a way to reduce friction, reduce cost, make things more efficient. It's going to win in the long run. The best technology usually wins in the long run.
Yeah.
The crypto space will be worth many, 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 many trillions. I agree 100% with that, guys. 100%. So remember that when you're feeling negative, when you're feeling down, when you're feeling some kind of way about the SEC and the FUD and all the negativity, just remember, guys, the big picture, right? The big picture. Altcoins are loading up for something big, guys. Have a look. Last time we were in this area, consolidation, right? Right here, boom. Look at the run we had. And over here, same thing. Boom. Look at the run we had in 2021. Here we are, guys. 2025. Let's go. On our way. Who's ready for altcoin season, baby? Who is ready for altcoin season? What else do we got? So week 18 was net positive for Bitcoin ETFs. 1,318 BTC added. So as we could see here, guys, we had 4 weeks of negative, which was last month, and we know last month felt like we took a beating, right? But now, 4 weeks. So now, last week, guys, green. Because Grayscale is now having inflows, not just outflows, right? So we're in the green finally, guys, and this is going to continue to escalate, in my opinion, as we move forward. So more bullishness to stay on top of, for sure. All right, what else do we got? So Meta Lawman, check it out. He's talking about Congress and what's going on here. Listen up, it's only 2 minutes long.
Then it's Congress. It is the job of Congress to do oversight of the federal agencies. And so that's the problem. Elizabeth Warren hands over the questions that she's going to ask in a public hearing, hands over the questions to Gary Gensler and says, here, Gary, I just wanted you to be prepared. Oh, and by the way, for your convenience, I've prepared some answers to these questions. Let me know if you have any problem with that. That is, in my view, oversight theater. It's not legitimate oversight, and Congress, when they see what is happening time and time again, the judges are saying this is arbitrary and capricious decision making. In debt box, you enforcement lawyers are lying. The Congress should do something and say we're gonna pull back funding for the SEC until this House gets in order, because what you're doing is wrong, and it is our only leverage is the power of the purse. That's what they should do. Yep. They're not doing it. It's strongly worded letters. It's oversight theater, and you know what? Who's not going to play along with oversight theater?
John Deaton.
John Deaton. Yeah, he's not going to play along. That's why they're going to fight tooth and nail against him. And when it gets down to the last couple of months and the polls are showing this is close, they're going to go crazy attacking John because they don't want any part of a guy who's really going to fight for the people, the unrepresented investors, who are the victims of the Ripple case. He's not going to play along with oversight theater. He's going to ask the hard questions. He's going to insist on subpoenas when appropriate. And he's going to insist that the appropriations process take into consideration that you're dealing with an agency that appears to be out of control.
100% agree, guys. 100% agree. They actually need to cut the budget of the SEC to affect change, right? If the White House won't let them actively do anything against Gary and stuff like that, cut his budget. You have the power to do that, right? Take his money away. Then he's not suing anybody, right? Simple as that. Simple as that, right? And as far as John Deaton, absolutely, I agree. He needs to replace Elizabeth Warren. Do I think it will happen realistically? Probably not. They always seem to find a way to manipulate things so that they win and we lose. So unfortunately, I don't see John getting in, but it's worth fighting the fight, though. That's the thing, right? Sometimes fighting that fight is not always about winning the fight. It's about making an impression, right? Almost ready, trying to get a milli XCN and increase my CTX and Ando bags. Nice. Yeah. You know what, man? Like I told you guys, I told the members what I was thinking about working on right now once I'm done with XCN. But PIF is really, really starting to look good, man. PIF is really starting to look good at its prices, though. I hear so many different opinions on one altcoin season. It's driving me nuts. Yeah, so what I would say, man, is just, you know what? It's coming. It's going to come. Just keep dollar cost averaging until you get there, man. That's all you can do, right? Next goal is to keep stacking other gems, including Fox, Shapeshift. That's a good one. It has good potential. Also Swift, XLM, SHIB, and a few others. Very nice. Very nice. All good picks, man. All good picks. Too many Dems and I can never say that word. Massachusetts. It's like Worcestershire sauce or whatever. I can't say those words. Shadow Frost, we all been there. After 3 to 4 years, you'll be comfortable with the cycles. Yes, agreed, 100%. 100%. You'll get used to it, man. And then it won't be ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string after that, right? So, all right. What else do we have? Andre De Niro says, read this, fam. So the quote here says, those with low IQs don't understand the power of sideways movement, the power of accumulation that is happening right now. Let them believe it's over. So all the people who think that Bitcoin, the bull run's over, like you see some of these people saying that, and it's just like, man, are you guys going to miss out on a lot of profits? Well said. It's promising how people started to realize that, and the best is yet to come. The way we're heading, best of luck, patience to everybody. Exactly, 100%. Patience is key. Patience is key. What's the time frame for XCN to go up? Same with everything else, man. Same with everything else, right? I would not be expecting massive profits on most of these alts until the fall, guys. Probably till October, November. That's when the parabolic part of the bull run is really going to start, right? So That's where your targets should be lining up, and you should be dollar cost averaging into whatever projects you believe in until that time comes. That's where your eyes should be focused. So, all right, what we got? Junction for all AI service. The field of artificial intelligence has witnessed remarkable advancements in recent years, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. However, several critical challenges like GPU shortages, data sets scarce, and few AI models. Guys, I was going to read this, but that just kind of made me think of something. So I was doing some research into Intel today, guys, right? I was looking into Intel today, and they are a big manufacturer of GPUs. And I've been saying to you guys that I think Intel is inevitably going to be one of the next big partnerships that JASMY and Junction announce, in my opinion. Junction is hyper-focused right now on GPUs, right? On building the world's largest GPU cloud cluster, right? The biggest the world's ever seen. Well, who is one of the largest manufacturers of GPUs? Well, that would be Intel, right? So do not be shocked to see these two come together. So yeah, and the ties that Ando has to these types of companies, the relationships is second to none. So very bullish, guys. Gives me time to get 1 million XCN next. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Shane, I'm late. What did I miss? Are we millionaires yet? You missed it all, brother. You missed it all. It's all done, man. It's all done. We out. We out. We're all cashing out our money, and we're headed to better places. All right. What else do we got? Julie, everyone knows CPI coming out Wednesday, May 15th, guys, which is next week, right? You got to remember that. What you may not have realized is there was a significant increase in coffee prices from March to May. So instead of reporting it, they removed it from the index. That's one way you can tell Yellen's version of Yentervention is removed reporting. So guys, that's what they do to make you think that inflation's getting better and stuff like that. They cherry pick statistics, right? Oh, the price of coffee's gone up exponentially between March and May. Okay, well, let's just remove that statistic from the rest of them, and then it averages out, right? And it looks good. It's manipulation, guys. It's manipulation. You're never told the truth, right? Always remember that. What else do we got? Let's have a look at the chart here, guys. JASMY's still in this bull pennant here. Very long level of consolidation, guys. My next leg up for JASMY, I've said it before, I'll say it again. I think we run up to around that 7-cent area, and then we have a sell-off back down to around 4 cents, 7.4, which we will consolidate around that 4 cent, and between 4 and 5 cents, I think, is where we will consolidate next. Very similar to how we're doing it here. We'll do this again between 4 and 5 cents, in my opinion. But we will have that initial run up to about 7 cents coming out of this. And there's a couple of other things, the reasons that I think that, guys. Not only is the bull pennant looking good, but if we look at the heat map for JASMY as well, we are oversold in every time frame, guys. We're oversold on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 24 hour. So we are due for a run to the upside. Could JASMY go to 7 cents? Yeah, I literally just said that. Egg prices doubled from last week from $2 to $4. Yeah, and they'll remove that statistic so that it's not in there, right? And they'll say inflation's going better. Matari, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Or 209 says, nah, it's going to 7 cents next, my friend. Oh, you said 207. No. It would take one hell of I think it would take a black swan event to break it down that far. If you're waiting for those price levels to either get a position or to buy more, my friend, I feel like you're going to miss out on that opportunity, man. The odds of it going back down that low again are not great. Not great at all. Is it possible? Yes. But listen, about a year and a half ago, a lot of people, when Bitcoin was 15K, 16K, there was a lot of people who were like selling their positions and waiting. And because you had I remember it specifically. You had Wendy O, you had BitBoy, you had Kevin Hart, Kevin Hart. What's that guy's name? Hart, whatever the hell his name is. That Hart guy who made Hex or whatever, right? Anyway, they were all telling everybody to sell their crypto and buy back into Bitcoin at 9 to 10 grand. They were saying it was going down to 9 to 10 grand, right? And you had people saying, oh, okay, yep, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till 9 to 10 grand. And guess what happened? Yeah, it wicked down to 15K. And then it went all the way up to, what are we right now? 61, 62K, went all the way up to 73K. They missed their opportunity. That's what happens when you wait and you don't dollar cost average. You miss the opportunities. I'll tell you right now, when Bitcoin and the alts were down at 15K and the alts were down the way that they were, I was dollar cost averaging every day, man. Every day, every week, buying up the bottom. And as a result, I got like a lot of rock bottom prices, man, because I dollar cost averaged the smart way instead of trying to time everything, right? It truly is amazing the opportunity we have in this market. As someone who entered way late last run, this is total blessing. Absolutely, Matt. I agree, man. It's like my math teacher said, figures don't lie, but liars do figure. Yeah, you're not wrong, brother. You are not wrong. Let's have a look at the Dixie, see what she's doing. Dixie's doing all right, still kind of going sideways here. We need another breakdown. That's the 15. Let's check out the higher time frames. It's the hourly, a little bit red on the hourly. Again, just waiting for that drop to the downside, guys. We're waiting for a complete collapse of the DXY, and and then we're going to see crypto really start to run. Daily, we got a little tiny red candle on the daily here, so we're going to stay on top of it. It's because I buy JASMY at 1.9 and my liquidation is on 209. I'm worried because it's my first trade. Should I worry? I have 300 pounds for trade. Buy low before margin. So you're using leverage trading then. I don't know, man. I wouldn't worry too much about it. I don't really honestly think that JASMY can go down that low. I'm just being honest with you. There's a lot of different support levels for JASMY right now for it to break down that low. Right now, JASMY's at a very, very strong support level. It's at a very strong support level right now at 1 cent. Well, the support level is actually down here, right? Yeah, 1 cent 7, right about here, where my cursor is. Got a support level there. So you've got basically where it is, okay? Then you've got another support level just below it at 1 cent 2. You've got another support level right about here. Right about here at 1 cent 5. You've got another support level, like a strong one, at 1 cent 4, right? You've got another support level, it would have to fall through, at 1 cent 2. And then you've got another support level at 1 cent. So essentially, JASMY would have to collapse through all 4 of these very, very powerful support levels, psychological levels, where there's a whole crap ton of buy orders and stuff. It would have to break through 5 support levels to get back down to 209, right? That would take something very, very bad to happen in the market, a very big crash on Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin would probably have to collapse around 50,000, something like that, for that to happen to JASMY, in my opinion, at this point. There's too many support levels to catch it at this point in time. So we will be having drinks, laughing, saying Gary tried to stop us and he couldn't. 100%, man, 100%. JASMY's going to climb. Yep. I was going to put 2,000 and get 1 million of XCN. I think I'm just going to grab more Jasmy. It doesn't hurt to be diversified, my friend. Thanks, Ben. Really appreciate your help. You take my subscribe. What about the extra money I still have? What would be the best chance to buy it? Honestly, man, I mean, it depends on how diversified you are in your portfolio. If you only hold Jasmy, I would recommend maybe taking some good positions in something else, like maybe Swift Coin or XCN or, something along those lines. Early projects. You know what I'm saying? Another thing I could say to you is we do members only live streams and stuff like that. So if you want help finding early projects to get into and stuff like that, then I would highly recommend either clicking the join button or the link in the chat and becoming a member of the channel, because we just did a members only live stream today, guys, and we dropped 2 more gems on the members today that you guys can get into very early. So that's what I would recommend for that. We also help you with your portfolio structure as a member of the channel as well. Hey, Rob, for best ROI, would you look into farm or quant? I'd probably look into farm, to be honest with you, if I was looking for best ROI. Market cap on quant is astronomically high compared to farms. I was going to grab all 3, Swift, XCN, and Jasmy. I already have 1 million Swift, 2 million Jasmy. Yeah, maybe it wouldn't kill you to grab some XCN then, man. Definitely not a bad idea. More bullish on Swift than XCN, like you said. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, I am. Make, which area do you think Jasmy peak will hit this year? I think the Jasmy gets... By the end of this year, Jasmy hits somewhere between 80 cents to $1, in my opinion, by the end of the 2024. On Jasmy, what would be the best spot points to look to buy, make a buy? Well, probably somewhere around where it is right now. It might go down to 1.05 cents, but it's gonna bounce somewhere between 1.05 cents and where it is right now, in my opinion. So. The membership pays for itself. Join us. Rob does a lot of research, makes it worth it. Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it, man. Shane with the super chat. I want to commend and thank you for the work you do and your and how interactive you are with the community. Thank you, Shane. I appreciate that, brother. It means a lot. I love engaging with you guys. I love trying to make sure that I respond to every single comment. Every single question in the chat. I actually fear the day that the channel gets so like big that the chat's just going like, because you see some of those channels with like hundreds of thousands of subs is like just going through. It's like, how do you do that? You're kind of screwed at that point. Oh man. But thank you, brother. It means a lot. It really does to have that support, man. Quant's still worth it. Yes, Quant is definitely still worth it. Quant is a fantastic project, in my opinion. Quant will make you the money, man. Quant's going to be about probably between $1,000 and $1,500, I would say, for Quant. Learned it the hard way in 2021. I did okay, but was not great as I should. I got out too early. Not this time for the bull run. I'm ready. I'm staying until the peak. That's a spirit, Nick. That's a spirit, brother. Nick, again, man, if you need help with your exit strategies, join the member side, brother. We're going to be doing, in the altcoin season, when we're having to blow off top, we're going to be doing members-only live streams every single day, taking profits, making sure everybody's making their money, right? Then probably get some good profit and leave the rest. 100%. Arrow isn't a bad idea. Yeah, Arrow's a good one. Arrow's a good one. I agree. Oh. All right, what else do we got here, guys? Crypto Expert highlights 5 important events for May, guys. Things to pay attention to. SEC has delayed the decision on the Ethereum ETF till July 5th. That's the old one, though. They still have the one on May 23rd, which is the one they can no longer delay. Raising doubts about the approval in May, Ethereum remains weak against Bitcoin, with analyst Mike Vandepop foreseeing further lows. Bitcoin is anticipated to consolidate post-halving for 4 to 6 months, indicating an accumulation phase. That's what I've been telling you guys. You have until about October to accumulate, guys. We are in a consolidation phase in the market before the parabolic run. And just like Vandepop says here, Bitcoin is anticipated to consolidate post-halving for 4 to 6 months, indicating an accumulation phase. So fill up your bags on whatever projects you believe in right now, guys, because we got, what is that, October, so August, September. So you have sometime between August and October is when the market should start to go parabolic, right? So are you ready? That's the question. Crypto analyst Michael Vandepop shares insights on Ethereum's path to the overall market, crypto market, as prices decline despite early hopes. Investors using the buy and hold approach are facing reduced profits. Analyst Michael Vandepop warns for potential further declines for Ethereum, projecting a drop to the range of 2,500 to 2,750. This forecast reflects the prevailing market sentiment influenced by broader economic factors and regulatory uncertainties. Over the past day, Ethereum has seen a 4% decrease, dipping below 2910, once more continuing on downward trend, and has persisted over the past week, with Ethereum losing approximately 6% of its value recently. If Ethereum goes back down to 25K, I will probably start dollar cost averaging back into it again, to be honest with you. The approval process for Ethereum spot exchange traded fund faces significant obstacles. Unlike the SEC's approach to Bitcoin ETFs, the postponement of the decision of the Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF until July 5th by this SEC adds to the uncertainty surrounding Ethereum's regulatory environment. Vandepop suggests that this might delay further depresses Ethereum's price in the near term. Despite Ethereum's efforts, its performance against Bitcoin continues to falter, showing consistent weakness both in the recent days and over the longer period. Michael Vandepop predicts further declines for Ethereum versus BTC, highlighting Ethereum's ongoing challenges. I hope so. I hope we get a bit of a pullback in Ethereum. I wouldn't mind picking more up, to be honest with you. However, despite these challenges, Vandepop's hopeful about the potential market shift after the ETF delay. This transition might favor altcoins in the third quarter of 2024, offering opportunities for expansion and diversification within investment portfolios. According to analyst Vandepop, Bitcoin is poised for a period of consolidation with expectation of remaining within a defined price range for the next 4 to 6 months. Historically, Bitcoin has often entered a sideways market phase post-halving, signaling an accumulation period. This trend, observed in previous halvings, prompts investors to accumulate Bitcoin during price stability, preparing for future price increases. While short-term corrections persist, analyst Vandepop foresees bullish trajectories in the long run, emphasizing a cyclical nature of crypto markets trends. Despite current challenges, the historical pattern of Bitcoin's post-halving accumulation phase suggests potential opportunities for investors to accumulate assets in anticipation of future price surges. So, guys, like I've been saying, further consolidation probably until October. That's how long you have to fill up your bags, guys. Do not squander the opportunity. What about XRP? Crypto looks a bit stuck at 50 to 48 cents. Well, yeah, I mean, all altcoins are going to consolidate roughly in the range that they're in right now, along with Bitcoin. So XRP is good. I hold a big bag of XRP, but if you're not holding, in my opinion, projects like XRP and Cardano, given their market caps and their current prices, if you're not holding at least 10,000 coins, it's probably not worth holding at all, because you need a lot more to make a better return on investment, right? Again, based on their current price and their current market cap, makes it hard to make profits unless you're holding 10, 20, 30,000 coins. Everyone hit that like and subscribe. It's free. Absolutely, Shane. Absolutely, brother. I agree. Guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, push the algorithm out, guys. We got to work that algo, all right? XCN price prediction. I will be exiting XCN around 20 to 30 cents. Cat Shields, where you been? Good to see you. Hello, hello. I'm all in on ADA. Sold everything back to ADA. Any thoughts? I love ADA. I love Cardano. Cardano is going to do fantastic. Cardano holds a special place in my heart. It's been one of my favorite cryptos for a very, very long time. I don't talk about it as often as I should, but I do love Cardano. $7 is my target for Cardano in the bull run. $7 to $10. You should do fairly well. Rod, thank you, Rob, for all your hard work. Hey, no problem, Rod. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. I appreciate you. Everyone who becomes a member of the channel, right? It's only $4, and you know it really does help the channel grow. It helps support the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you guys who clicks that join button or clicks the link in the chat to be a member of the channel. It means a lot. And I also appreciate all of you guys who joined the Patreon as well. You guys are the bee's knees. On leverage, on BitGet, it takes a fee to hold on leverage position. I've been looking. I don't find, by the way, do leverage. I leverage, but I don't talk about it on the channel because I don't want to encourage people that are newer to crypto to be using leverage trading. The only thing I say is that I use my leverage trading over on LBank because they're the channel sponsor. So I do some leverage trading over there. Sometimes, most of the time though, I don't have the time. So I'll just do copy trading over on LBank and use leverage that way instead. Hey Rob, why would you not sell your entire JASMY bag and buy it at the bottom of 2026? What's the advantage of not selling? Well, to be honest with you, your entry point, right? I've talked about this before. Let's say JASMY goes to 2 cents, or it's 2 cents. Let's say JASMY goes to $2 in this bull run, okay? Well, the market pulls back between 85 and 90% in the bottom of a bear market, which means the absolute lowest price JASMY would be is about 20 cents, right? You want to be buying JASMY at 20 cents, or do you want to hold? I would rather hold my bag where my cost is around like a fifth of a cent, than have to buy back in at 20 cents at the bottom of the next bear market, right? So that's why you're not going to get these bottom prices again. JASMY, like I said, it goes, even if it only goes to $1, it's going to bottom out around 10 cents. You'll never get these prices again, ever, right? So what's up, Ryan? Good to see you, man. Aloha, brother. Aloha. Matt, is it worth it is worth the members fee 100%. Thank you, Matt. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate that, man. Rob the OG, back at it like a crack addict. 100%, man. 100%. Also for tax purposes. Hold half. Yes, exactly. Another genius reason, Matt. Absolutely, brother. When you think JASMY will start making moves to the upside? Probably within the next couple of weeks, man. Next couple of weeks, I think we're going to see some progression to the upside for sure. Like I said, I just showed we're in a bull pennant right now, and JASMY's very, very oversold in almost all time frames. So we are due for a run to the upside. Got another little video here for you guys. Check this out. One of my favorites of all time, guys. Blockchain backer talking a little XRP here. Let's select XRP Ledger. Let's listen up. It's only a minute long.
Why do people not want to build on the XRP Ledger in particular? Next, you have builders, right? So that's what we were talking about, right? Like people wanting to build on the Ledger. The problem with funding in the first place is Ripple promised. Here we go. This is where I'm going to die.
They're coming to get you.
They're going to get me.
They're coming to get you.
2 years ago, Ripple promised to provide 1 billion XRP as grants, right, to builders. And of that, they've given $15 million over the course of 2 years. That is less than 1%. They've given away less than 1%. Now, the big argument is like, oh, you shouldn't want free money, blah, blah, blah. The problem is when you go to places like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, they all have these treasuries, right? They all have these foundations, and these things are designed to hand out free money, to promote crazy stuff to get thrown against the wall and see if it sticks. 99% of it's going to fail, but the idea of it is money getting thrown around, hoping that something does stick. And that is what takes place in all of these successful ecosystems, protocols, and communities. Why do
So what he's getting at here is that the Ripple team is supposed to be giving out that money or earmarking that money to bring projects onto the XRP Ledger, right? To build out the ecosystem, build out the value of the XRP token and all of that fun stuff that comes along with it. And the argument is, well, you shouldn't want free stuff to do that, blah, 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 right? You should just build on the XRP Ledger. Yeah, the problem is Solana, AVAX, Ethereum, and so on, they are giving out that money, right, for you to build in their ecosystems instead. So if Ripple wants people to build on the XRP Ledger, they're going to have to compete in that way, or it's not going to happen, right? All depends on Bitcoin moves. Yes, I agree. Watched another channel. They pointed out that the BTC is moving exactly like it did in 2016. Oh, yeah. Yep, exactly. I've been saying that. I said that like 3 weeks ago. I said that. I was talking about that 40% pullback in 2016, 2017, about a 38% pullback after 2 weeks after the halving. I said we were acting very, very similar. I agree. I agree 100% on that. 100%. All right, guys, check this out. I thought this was really cool. This was really cool. So I asked ChatGPT today, guys. I was bored and I was like, let's get creative, right? So I asked ChatGPT to give me a list of companies, major tech companies that Kunitake Ando has connections with, right? To be potential partners for JASMY moving forward over the next couple of years, right? And you guys will be shocked at the results. So check this out, guys. Check this out. This made me so bullish, right? So some of the companies, obviously, the number one on the list is Sony Corporation, right? Ando, primary affiliation with Sony, where he held several executive positions, including the president and CEO. SoftBank, guys, as we know, major conglomerate, multinational conglomerate. We know it's JASMY's largest bank, right? So Ando has connections with them. Potential partnership there, and we already know they are kind of working together. Nantic, guys, very, very interesting project, very interesting company. If you don't know who they are actually the company, the augmented reality company, famous for Pokemon Go, right? So Ando has connections there. Rectin, I don't know much about this company. They're an e-commerce company. So we'll have to have a little bit of a deeper dive into exactly what they are. They're a Japanese e-commerce company. Line Corporation, a messaging app and subsidiary of Navar Corporation. Another company that Ando has ties to would be Cyberdyne Inc., known for its robotics and healthcare products. Very, very bullish there as well. Think about the utility and the use case that JASMY would have with a company like Cyberdyne, guys, creating the next generation of Terminators, right? Wipe us all out. Let's go, baby. Uber, obviously. So Ando has ties to Uber Technologies. Very bullish there. Mitsubishi. We all know Mitsubishi, a major player in electronics and electrical equipment. Mitsubishi Corporation. Very, very bullish there. Fujitsu Limited. They are a prominent Japanese information and communication technology company. NEC, guys, we all know NEC. They make computers, right? Another major player in the IT industry. Toshiba, another massive company that Ando has ties to. Toshiba, known for its electronics and what? Semiconductors. That's right, guys. Panasonic, who we know they just announced partnering with. Nintendo. Ando has connections with Nintendo, guys, as well. Prominent player in the gaming industry. Sharp Corporation. You know Sharp. They make TVs, electronics, and displays. And finally, Toyota. As we know, they also have a partnership with Toyota already. That is a very, very bullish list of top tech companies that Ando has deep ties to. Very, very bullish list, guys. I don't know about you guys, but that made me very, very excited to think about the potential future of JASMY. Quant looks good to buy on that. Yeah, absolutely it does. Absolutely it does. Quant under $100 is a steal. Thank you, sir, for your input. Rob, appreciate the insight. First bull run, feeling seasick. I'm getting there. Yeah, hold strong, man. Hold strong. You'll get through it. This is my first crypto cycle. How quickly does the government come after the taxes? You generally would just file it when you file your taxes, right? Your general taxes at the end of the year or beginning of the year, January, February, March, whatever. Usually you would just file them then. So I picked up another Quant token just 15 minutes ago. Nice. Yeah, I've been looking at Quant. Looks good. Good to buy, but I'm playing right now. Longs leverage. Need to know limits of Quant price to go down. Yeah, I wish I could help you on Quant. I don't really know, but I know that I'm more of a spot trader, to be honest with you. And Quant, it's a long-term hold for me. We got a good captain, so you're in good hands. Enjoy the waves. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate that, Funky. I appreciate that, brother. So yeah, guys, that is the news that I have for you guys. Hopefully, I'm hoping that the list of companies that Ando has connections with resonated with some of you. Very, very bullish, guys, in my opinion. Made me mega bullish anyways. And yeah, Bitcoin 61.3. Not a bad day, guys. So we got the weekly close and the daily close happening in about an hour and 7 minutes. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that, guys. But for now, I'm going to go eat some dinner. And yeah, I might be back a little bit later for an evening live stream. I did a stream this morning, but it was a members only live stream. So kind of, kind of only got one for everybody else so far today. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll be back a little bit later. But thank you so much, guys, as always, for coming. I appreciate all of you guys. Again, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you're watching the video on later, pre-recorded, then definitely hit the subscribe button, guys. Click the join button to become a member of the channel. You don't want to miss out on that. Guys, also join the Patreon. You don't want to miss the stuff that's happening over there. Big things popping, little things stopping. And follow me on X, guys. Follow me over on X. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Thank you so much, guys, for coming as always, man. I appreciate you guys.